Hi everybody. Our focus today is to think about what we've been learning about light and how light goes through objects. So today I want you to think about what would happen if I were to block the light of my flashlight. See, my flashlight here is on this paper. What do you think would happen if I were to block the light with a paper bag, a sandwich baggie, a piece of tissue paper? Think for a moment. What would happen? Write it down, pause the video, just give it some thought. What would happen if I held the flashlight up to a paper bag, with a paper bag, and to a sandwich baggie with a tissue paper? All right, we're going to try that out and see what happens when I do that. So I've got my flashlight here, and I'm holding the flashlight light onto this piece of paper on the board, and you can see how the light gets stronger and weaker. And I'm going to hold it right here, and I'm going to block the light with the paper bag, and you can see that it makes a shadow on the gray paper behind it, and the light does not go through. All right, the next one I'm going to try is the sandwich baggie. It's just a sandwich baggie. And I'm going to hold the light up through it, and you can see that the light goes through here and shines on the paper just like that. Is that what you thought would happen? Does that match your thinking? How about this piece of tissue paper? I'm going to hold the light up to it, and I can see it reflecting off of the tissue paper. And if I look, I can kind of see the light, but not as much. It might not come through the video as much. Compare it here to this one. The light seems much stronger here. So, the words that we're learning are opaque, translucent, and transparent. So, when we have something that is opaque, no light goes through it. That was like the paper bag. When something is translucent, try that word, translucent. When translucent, some light goes through it. That was like the tissue. Some light went through it. And if something is transparent, light goes through it. People might use the word clear. So like a window would be transparent, but a door is usually opaque. All right. When you go into Wixie, you'll see these three words, opaque, translucent, and transparent. And we would like you to find examples of objects in your house. You'll need a flashlight. Hold light up to them with your parents' permission, of course. And take pictures or make a video and tell us some objects you found that are opaque, no light goes through it, translucent, some light goes through them, and transparent, light can go through them. The last part is to explain what happens when different materials block light. So if you can tell us in your words what happens when different materials block light, and you'll find these in Wixie.